What's up, everybody? Samir here, and in a little over a minute, I'm going to show you guys how to make Thai lettuce wraps. These Thai lettuce wraps are so good, you can eat them every day. We're going to start by making a paste of ginger, garlic, Thai chili, shallot, fresh turmeric root, and galangal, which you could usually find at a local Asian market. Peel and chop those ingredients and blend them into a paste. Get that paste into a saucepan and start to caramelize. In a separate pot, start to cook your ground meat of choice. Once you get your paste caramelized, go ahead and fold it into your meat and pound it to a nice fine texture. Looking good. Now we're just going to fold in some chopped green onion and fresh basil. Next, we're going to finish seasoning this with freshly ground black pepper and fish sauce, which will act as a salt. And voila, Thai lettuce wraps for you. Make sure not to forget the fresh squeeze of lime. These are delicious. Thank you guys for checking out my first edit, and I'll be bringing more recipes your way soon. Thank you so much.